folding screen phones have gradually become one of the candidates when everyone chooses a phone from being extremely niche a few years ago. One of the reasons is the arrival of the small size folding up and down, which meets the needs of different groups of people, such as the one in our hand. The Vivo X Flip is such a new choice. Before the detailed product review comes, let's take a quick look at the compactness, fashion and ease of use of this Vivo X Flip today. Different from the positioning of large folding screen phones that fold left and right, which are mainly functional and technological, small folding screens like the Vivo X Flip are more designed and stylish to impress more young users, especially female users. As a folding screen phone, the deepest impression we got from the Vivo X Flip when we first started using it is the compactness brought by the compact folding body, which is about the same size as an ordinary cosmetic box and can be held firmly by girls' small hands, and it is also very comfortable to put in a bag. Easy, even the small waist bags that are popular now are not a problem. The size of the Vivo X Flip is just right. What we got this time is the Vivo X Flip with diamond purple color, which is also one of the current popular colors. This low saturation purple is close to the Miranda color system, which makes the phone more attractive and easy to be different from girls. I want to match clothes and accessories without stealing the limelight of the clothes. Vivo really understands girls very well. The body of Vivo X Flip is made of plain leather, and the rhombic texture commonly seen on luxury brands is added to the surface. It has quilted curves, bringing double satisfaction in texture and feel. It fully reproduces the texture of luxury brand bags, making Vivo X Flip adds a touch of luxury. Not only for beauty, but phones also need to face various durability challenges in life, so the plain leather of Vivo X Flip has added wear-resistant and anti-dirty nano coating, which has excellent performance in dirt resistance and aging resistance, and is not easy to stain fingerprint, good-looking and durable. It can only be said that Vivo really understands the preferences of users. After talking about the appearance, let's talk about the inner and outer screens of Vivo X Flip. Because more usage scenarios of small folding screens will be concentrated in the inner screen, everyone has higher requirements for its creases. It has been a few days since it was unpacked and used. The creases at the middle fold of the inner screen on the Vivo X Flip are well controlled. However, you can also feel good screen flatness. It seems that after accumulating the technical experience of the first two large folding screen phones, Vivo has also achieved excellent hinge performance on the small-sized Vivo X Flip. Moreover, the Vivo X Flip has added the well-received hover function on the X Fold series. In addition to realizing multi-angle selfies for a single person, this time it also added a very practical small-function makeup mirror. We only need to click Lens Package on the desktop, select Cosmetic Mirror, and then there are two functions: Fill Light and Makeup Box. The former can add white fill light around the screen preview frame to enhance the brightness of the face, and the latter can let us choose our own beauty effects, such as base makeup, contouring, eyebrow makeup, eye makeup, blush, lipstick, etc. Even without makeup, we can take beautiful selfies. Of course, it also allows us to preview the effects of different makeup in advance, and then makeup is especially suitable for people with difficult choices like me. Once again, I can only say that Vivo really understands girls too well. Finally, there is the horizontal outer screen on the Vivo X Flip, which is not simple at all. The 3.0-inch size provides ample display area and brings a lot of interesting interactions. In addition to customizing the wallpaper, Vivo X Flip has added the fun and cute pet function, providing us with 6 cute pets. After work, you can interact with it with a tap and relax. In terms of function, the external screen of Vivo X Flip can not only be used to view the content of notification information, but also directly use the full keyboard to input and reply to WeChat, which is convenient and practical. For a detailed introduction of the features of the external screen on Vivo X Flip and other functions of the phone, please pay attention to our follow-up detailed product evaluation on our channel. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.